Hello, my name is Adolfo and this is Life of Adolfo. 2 days ago, we opened our business, Laundry Shop, and we have our first customer. Now, you could see it as a pro or con that we only had one customer on the first 2 days. And the first thing that I want to cover is we had our first customer. It brought joy. It brought happiness. It brought that our business is open. At the same time, it's only one customer in 2 days. And I know that a lot of people will have panic, like, how are we going to make it? Because there's a lease, we're spending money, and we only have one customer. But the first goal on a business is to get a customer. The second goal is to create a regular customer out of some of those customers. And that's our goal right now. As a matter of fact, across the street, there's a laundry shop. They have X amount of customers in there. Sooner or later, some of the customers are going to be shifting, in my hopes, to our laundry shop. We're charging the same prices. They do have self-serve. We're not doing self-serve. They also have big washers. We do not have big washers, but we have the other washers, regular washers just like them. And I just wanted to make this video because I know that some people that are opening the business, they expect a lot of customers right off the bat. And that's not the case because people don't know your location. One of the first things that I try to do, I haven't put a sign yet that this is a laundry shop, but some people already know. But I put it on Google. You know how you put Google Maps and you try to search a place? I put our place on Google Maps, meaning that the first thing when people are looking on Google, they're going to find the laundry shop, hopefully across the street, or if they don't, at least ours is already there. I believe theirs is not on Google, but there's other applications that they probably put it in that I haven't found out. But as soon as I find out, I'm going to put them in there. Why? Because it's like a word of mouth and it's free. It's the internet, Google. And like I said about the customers, that's your first goal, create a customer. Your second goal is to have a regular customer. And the way you have regular customers is, I was in the military and I was in supply, and we could say business because four of my locations is laundry, barbershop, stores, and vending. Is that the customer is always right. In reality, it's not always right, but you try to satisfy the customer. And that's the way you create a regular customer, is trying to do everything right, especially in laundry. Don't lose the laundry. Don't make it smell bad. And when I'm saying make it smell, is having your space smelling. And also, like I mentioned, losing items, leave them on the washer, getting stuck on the drum, the circle, and you forget them. Next thing you know, the customer doesn't have them. And if he remembers that thing, then he might not try to come to your place again because you're losing his items, his clothes. And that's all I got. I just wanted to cover that we got our first customer. We're not panicking. 2 days. As a matter of fact, we hired someone that is coming in today. Still going to lose more profit because now we're paying somebody, but you have to have someone in the front desk. And you have to have someone that eventually people will come in, like I said, a customer, another customer, another customer. And hopefully out of all of them, you create regular ones, but you have to have someone. And we have a front desk. We have our laundry table. The one with all the mess, it's my personal stuff where I like to sit down here because I like to see how things are going. I have the cabinets for the clothes and the washers in the background. Thank you, and thank you for watching.